Welcome back on this Tuesday morning. So at the end of this week, we do have a strong storm system that's going to be moving in. And I think that the worst conditions will be for Thursday evening extending through Saturday morning. And I did set a high risk for snow and winds. We are expecting some rounds of snow that'll accumulate. At times, we will have a round of more wet snow. And then most of the times we're going to have this fluffy type of snow that's going to be moving through the area. And then second to that, I think this is what's going to make conditions even worse, is going to be the strong winds we're going to have. At times, very blizzard-like, whiteout conditions likely throughout the course of that time period, as winds will be gusting around 35 to 60 miles per hour. I do think the strongest winds will be right near Lake Superior. It did set a high risk for the cold because when you factor in the winds and that colder air that's going to be moving in, we will have wind chill readings in the teens below zero throughout the course of Friday, extending into Saturday. Here's that storm system. So this is Thursday morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. Yes, you're seeing widespread snow. This is going to be light snow, though, Thursday morning. So shouldn't be too much of an impact as you get going on Thursday morning, even extending through the afternoon. After 6 o'clock, that area of low pressure starts to move into areas downstate. And that's when we shifted over to more moderate to heavy snow for Thursday evening through Friday morning. This is Friday morning, 8:30 in the morning, that low right over areas downstate. We're under the gun until Saturday. This is Friday afternoon, still going strong with that heavy snow and the strong winds. This is Saturday morning, and then that's when we start to tap into lake effect snow. Lake effect snow will still continue through Saturday afternoon and evening, slowly tapering off by the time Christmas morning arrives. Strong winds are expected. This is Friday afternoon. Those winds by that point in time gusting around 45 to 50 miles per hour. Still hanging strong through Saturday morning. This is 11:30 in the morning on Saturday with those strong winds. And check this out. This is by Sunday morning, Christmas morning. Now we're starting to notice that those winds are starting to decrease in strength. So improving conditions by Christmas Day. Wind chill readings in the teens below zero with those winds in that colder air. Friday extending through Saturday. That's Saturday evening. Make sure that you're prepped and ready to go. Make sure you have your emergency kits in your vehicles. If you're traveling, if you can, avoid traveling throughout the course of those days. And make sure that you pace yourself with the shoveling and the snow blowing for the course of those 2 days as well. At this moment, we do have some light snow moving through. That's M28 at the roadside park in Marquette County. There's that snow that's moving through with a weak cold front. This moves on out when we have lake effect that develops in the Keweenaw this afternoon. Tomorrow morning looks good. Tomorrow afternoon, we have a little bit of light snow that starts to work in, becoming widespread by Thursday morning. It'll be light, so I do think that most of Wednesday, as far as conditions for traveling, should be okay. Those travel conditions will deteriorate quite rapidly by Thursday evening.